Hello, this video will show you how to use the Blender files from the Young Creators project to create a custom 3D object for printing with a 3D printer. The files and models are for educational and hobby use only. Sources for the models are BlenderKit and custom sculpts by the team. Part 1. Installing Blender. Download the Blender installer from the Young Creators folder, linked in the video description. If this version is not compatible with your computer, you may also download the most recent Blender version for free from blender.org. Follow the instructions on the installer to install the program. Part 2. Download the simple.blend file. We're gonna start with simple.blend, which contains a handful of models. Download the file and open it. This will launch Blender with the simple.blend file open. Part 3. Navigating the scene. Navigating the scene can be disorienting at first to new users, but don't be discouraged. You'll learn it soon enough. Use the middle mouse to turn the camera, and use Shift plus middle mouse to move around. I recommend pausing the video for a little bit and trying it out, and playing with it. That's a good way to learn how to do this. Select an object by left-clicking it. Then hit the G key to grab it. Now if you move your mouse, the object will follow along with your mouse cursor. Left-click to place it down somewhere, or right-click to return it where it was. The R key will rotate the selected object. Left-click to confirm the rotation, or right-click to reset it. The S key will scale the object. Left-click to confirm, right-click to reset. To move an object left and right, select the object by left-clicking it. Hit G to grab it, and then X to lock the movement to the X-axis. You can do the same for the Y and Z axis as well. Hit G to grab an object, and then X, Y or Z, depending on which way you'd like the object to be moved. The X, Y and Z apply to rotating and scaling as well. Try them out and see what you come up with. Try putting some objects together with the tools learned: grabbing, rotating, scaling. Locking the movement by using X, Y and Z will be very useful in fitting things together. Remember to look around your creation, using middle mouse and shift middle mouse, to see how it looks from all angles. Part 6. Selecting for printing. Click to select an object, then shift click to select additional objects, until all the parts that make up your creation are selected. Part 7. Exporting. To export the objects into a 3D printing program, such as Cura, select from the top menu File and then Export. As the file type, choose .stl. A new window will open up and you'll be able to save your new STL file. On the top right there's an important checkbox called Selected Only. You should check that box so only your selected objects, not all the objects in the gallery, are exported. Then hit the big blue Export STL button. That concludes this guide. The .stl file is ready to be loaded into a 3D printing program of your choice, such as Cura. If the computer you're using has enough memory, please check out the all.blend file for a much wider selection of models.